Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your facial expression in a photo by using the CapCut mobile. So in here, just add a photo of you into CapCut like this. For example, you can add your selfie or your group photo. And after that, just go to Effect, click on the photo effect and find the expression category. Okay, this one. So in the expression category there are five expression that you can choose from: sad, laugh, smile, poker face, and also smile face. So you can just choose one for your photos and CapCut will do its magic. Okay, let's try the dimple laugh or the smile face. So I like this one better. Just click on the check icon when you're done, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.